How to change Binance phone number. Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can change your phone number in Binance. So then to change your phone number in Binance, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. The first thing, you have to go and log in into a Binance account. Make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. While you're on this page, you have to make sure that your account is verified, and then tap the Binance icon located in the top left hand side corner of your screen. Then you need to go ahead and select your ID, and it's going to take you to the account center page. Right on this page, go to security, and under it you'll be able to find multiple options. So right at the bottom you can see phone number. Go ahead and tap on it, and the first thing, in my case, I've not added a phone number. So when you have actually added a phone number, then it's going to show you the interface that change phone number. In order to make changes with it, you have to go ahead and tap on it, and it's going to send a verification code through an SMS which you have to enter in. So then you'll get a permission to make changes with the phone number. Now once again, you need to verify your newly added phone number, and for that as well, you have to go through the same fees, that is entering the verification code, and then you'll be logged out as soon as you're done making changes. And once again, you have to log in back into the account by entering the newly created credential. So that's how you can change Binance phone number. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.